Today we are how to design cinematic product photo looks. Open your product image and first clean up exposure and contrast so details are clearly visible. Add a color lookup adjustment layer and preview cinematic LUT presets that deepen shadows and enrich color tones. Choose one that enhances depth without hiding product texture. Lower opacity gradually until the look feels dramatic yet realistic. Now, duplicate the LUT layer and set it to soft light blending mode to increase tonal richness. Toggle visibility to ensure the product still appears accurate in color. Cinematic styling should enhance mood but never misrepresent the subject. Select